Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you unlock your Motorola Moto G23 with only your fingerprint. For that you want to go to your settings and go to security and go to face and fingerprint unlocks and then put in your PIN first of all to verify that it's you, and then click on fingerprint. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify it's you, like when you sign into apps or approve a purchase. Click on more. How it works, you're in control, keep in mind. Just more information about that, say I agree and then touch the sensor. It's on the side of your phone, use your finger. So now you want to put your finger on the on and off button here, and then it will start. Lift, then touch again. Keep lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. So we want to move our finger around slightly. Fingerprint added. Fingerprint unlock improves the more you use it to unlock your phone or verify it's you in apps. Click on done. Now we can name our finger. If we click on it, we can delete it by clicking on that little trash can symbol here, or add a fingerprint if we want to add more. We're going to go ahead and lock the phone and want to unlock it again, and I'm going to put my thumb on the on and off button, and now we're back in the phone. So that's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.